Google's Pixel 7a is expected to make its debut at the Google I/O 2023 event, and the rumor has it that the smartphone will come packed with some exciting features. Now, according to a tipster, Debayan Roy, this Pixel 7a will feature a 6.1-inch FHC plus 90Hz OLED display, providing users with a more immersive viewing experience. The device will be powered by a Tensor G2 chipset, which promises to deliver top-of-the-line performance thanks to its LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage standards. Now, one of the most talked about feature of the Pixel 7a is its camera. It's rumored to have a dual camera setup at the rear, which includes a 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor and a 12-megapixel sensor, promising to capture detailed and crisp photos. While the front camera or the selfie camera specifications are yet to be confirmed, but it is expected to feature the 10.8-megapixel lens as seen in the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Google has always been known for its software, and the Pixel 7a is no exception. Well, the smartphone is expected to come with Android 13 out of the box, providing users with a clean and straightforward user interface. Additionally, the Pixel 7a is expected to support 5-watt wireless charging, providing users with a hassle-free charging experience as well. While the exact battery specifications of the Pixel 7a are yet to be confirmed, but we can expect the smartphone to provide a long-lasting battery life, ensuring they stay connected for longer. So overall, the Pixel 7a seems like an exciting smartphone which is packed with some great features that promise to deliver an excellent user experience. While we're yet to see the official design and specifications, but we can't wait to see what Google has in store for us with the upcoming release. That's all in this video. For more such videos, keep watching India TV Tech Wheels.